Welcome to Network Professionals. Hello everyone, I am Engineer Javiria Oftab, CISCO certified instructor and member of Tech Awareness. Welcome back to our channel Network Professionals. In the previous lecture of Chapter 1, we discussed the components of a personal computer. Continuing from where we left off, in today's lecture number 3, we will complete the remaining part of Chapter 1. In the next lecture, we'll begin Chapter number 2. So, stay tuned and let's get started. Chapter 1. Introduction to Personal Computer Hardware. Continue. What are output devices? An output device takes binary information from the computer and converts it into a form that is easily understood by the user. Examples of output devices include monitors, projectors, VR headsets, printers, speakers, and headphones. Monitors and projectors. Most monitors use one of three types of technology: liquid crystal display, LCD, light-emitting diode, LED, organic LED, OLED. Most video projectors use LCD or DLP technology. DLP stands for digital light processing. Different projectors have different numbers of lumens, which affects the level of brightness of the projected image. VR and AR headsets. Virtual reality, VR, uses computer technology to create a simulated, three-dimensional environment. A VR headset completely encases the upper portion of users' faces, not allowing in any ambient light from their surroundings. Augmented reality, AR, uses similar technology but superimposes images and audio over the real world in real time. AR can provide users with immediate access to information about their real surroundings. An AR headset usually does not close off ambient light to users, allowing them to see their real-life surroundings. Printers. Printers are output devices that create hard copies of files. A hard copy might be on a sheet of paper. It could also be a plastic form created from a 3D printer. Different types of printers: inkjet, impact, thermal, laser, and 3D printers. Printers use wired or wireless connections. All printers require printing material, such as ink, toner, liquid plastic, etc. Printers use a driver to communicate with OS. Speakers and headphones. Speakers are a type of auditory output device. Most computers and mobile devices have audio support either integrated into the motherboard or on an adapter card. Headphones, earbuds, and the earphones found in headsets are all auditory output devices. These may be wired or wireless. Some are Wi-Fi or Bluetooth enabled. In the third topic, we will discuss about computer disassembly. What is computer disassembly? Computer disassembly is the process of carefully taking apart a computer system to access or replace internal components. This is often done for repair, maintenance, upgrades, or educational purposes. Before you begin, safety first. Power off and unplug. Always turn off the computer and disconnect it from power. Use an anti-static wrist strap, prevent electrostatic discharge, ESD, from damaging sensitive parts. Work on a clean, flat surface, helps keep screws and components organized. Document everything. Keep notes or photos of the disassembly steps for easier reassembly. Basic tools needed: Phillips screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, plastic prying tools, tweezers, small containers for screws. There are following steps for computer disassembly. Shut down and unplug the PC. Remove the case cover. Identify and disconnect internal components. Remove the motherboard. If needed, label and store components properly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel Network Professionals for more informative videos.